So, hi guys. So, I am testing the video quality of this thumb camera. So, I will share what's my dinner. So, here's a matambaka. I don't know what's the English. Mom cook our viand, no? So, tinoy and lami kay siya, guys. And this is my rice. Gamay lang akong rice because dagan kong pan nakaon din ng buntag duha ka buok. Lami kay siya. Favorite na ko ni. Actually, ni-improve jud ang cooking ni mama. Kay I remember tong college ko, siya jud naga-prepare sa akong meals. So, share ko lang. And then my earrings, I got it from Mr. DIY. Tag 35 pesos. I'm not quite sure. Basta barato lang din siya, guys. So, bye! So, hi guys. Nag-reheat ko og tinola. Okay, but how to this? I still don't know.